Welcome to my next video in the series documenting my journey through AI technologies to build a client self-booking system or patient appointment booking system using AI technologies. In this video, we're looking at the organization registration process and all the issues encountered along the way, looking at that. So we're back onto Cursor now to finish off the registration process. It previously had a go at building the registration backend. So when a user selects a billing plan and then proceeds to enter their organization and their user details and credit card details, all that information gets passed to the registration backend, which creates the user record, creates the organization record, and sets up the subscription plan with Stripe, which would be billed 1 month in advance. So users have 1 month to use the system, and then they can cancel their subscription within that time. Otherwise, it will be billed according to which plan they've selected. So I've just given Stripe a very long list of things to do. I had a quick look at the registration backend program that it previously created, and there was lots of things wrong with it. Basically, it just wasn't finished off. There was no validation of, there was some validation, but it wasn't protected against SQL injection or script injection. All sorts of things were wrong. So I've given it, and basically wasn't finished off. So I've given it a great long list of things that need to be done. And it was actually very quick. So it's telling me all the things that it's done. The code now, so in summary, the code now properly sanitizes all input data, creates Stripe subscription with a 1 month lead time, maps plan selections to the correct plan IDs, creates the organization directories with proper permission, maintains data integrity within transactions, comprehensive error handling, assumes the Stripe API key is properly set. Yep, that's fine. Assumes the codes are available. Yep, that's fine. Assumes that the web server has permissions to create directories and change those. Yep, that's fine. Code assumes that Stripe price IDs are properly configured. Any additional improvements or clarify any part? So I'll just accept that. At the moment, I can't think of any additional improvements, so I'll have a look at the code, see what it's done. It'll be quite extensive bit of code there, and then we can start seeing if it works. That'll be amazing. That'll be the next step, and this includes the creation of the subdomain. So, for example, for Texas Cardiac Care Clinic, they might set up the subdomain of Texas, or just Texas, or Texas CC or something. Or cardiac, and then, so for example, if it was cardiac, then the fully formed domain would be cardiac.mybooking.clinic, and that maps to the organization ID internally. Okay, that's it for now. We'll have a look and get back to you. All right. Well, it took me 5 seconds to work out that it had actually done very little. It hadn't implemented one of the most important things, which is the sanitization of input data. It was putting the input data directly into the SQL, unsanitized. And I said, and it's come back, you're absolutely right. While we added the sanitize input function, we need to actually properly use it to ensure all SQL queries are using prepared statements with sanitized data. Let me fix this. Oh, goodness. And I laid it out point by point, exactly what needs to be done. And it still didn't do it. Oh, goodness. Okay. I've made several important security improvements, added proper sanitization of input data, changed the SQL queries, cross-site scripting attacks, SQL injection attacks, type-related vulnerabilities, data corruption. Okay, so it's added proper data protection. Ah, crikey. Just as well I know what I'm doing, because it certainly doesn't. Okay, we'll stop there and have another look at the I've uploaded the changes that Cursor has made, and I've also reduced this hero image to half of what it was. It looks much better now. So this is the landing page. So this is the home page for the domain, which brings up an example, a demo implementation. As it says, this is a demonstration implementation. Click here to see how we can improve. So if you haven't seen it before in one of my previous videos, so this is a demo program. This contact, I'm actually, yeah, that does work. But we need to put the sanitation into it. So that's looking good. So when you register your organization, this is what it will produce. And of course, all the names will be changed to whatever you enter. The details of the practitioners would be changed to what you enter. And locations would be according to what you've entered. And we'll just go to the landing page. And this is where you start. So you've seen this in the previous videos. So this is the early adopter registration. And we'll come down almost free for early adopters. So this is the pricing. If you want to take the whole system and host it yourself, and you have system administrators who are going to look after it, then yep, you can have it, the whole thing, for $20,000. Otherwise, it's 99. This is US dollars a month for one practitioner and one admin staff. As I've specified in previous videos, practitioners show up on the list of practitioners when a patient books. Admin staff do not. Admin staff also do not have access to confidential patient documents. So that's a difference. And there are administrative or system administrative restrictions on what admin staff can do. Basically, admin staff can't make modifications to like the appearance of the website, or like names, and can't add users, can't add practitioners, whereas practitioners can. So practitioners have sysadmin, system administrator permissions as well. The $199 a month for up to 5 practitioners. So this is, so the starter is for a solo trader. Practitioner, 5 practitioners and 5 admin staff. I can't imagine needing 5 admin staff for 5 practitioners, especially once you've implemented the self-booking system. You should need, this system should remove 1 administrator from your staff. You get the full online system, and $399 a month for unlimited practitioners and admin. So we'll say get started. Subdomain name, Terry's. So Terry's. Hey, really? No, all right. That's broken. Okay, first thing to fix. Pause. Well, we had a few issues. I went through some changes, implemented some structural changes so as to allow for implementing subdomains. So each new organization that registers through mybooking.clinic would get their own unique subdomain. So to implement that, and I also changed the way the landing page works. And that caused all sorts of problems that I then had to get Cursor to help me fix. So now if we go to mybooking.clinic, okay, I was just about to show you something and it didn't work. I spent a few minutes trying to fix it unsuccessfully and then just asked Cursor. I'll explain to Cursor what the problem was, what I've done, what I wanted to achieve, and basically 5 seconds it found the problem and fixed it. All right, so as I was saying, if I go to mybooking.clinic, it takes me to the landing page. From there, I can go to the demonstration system. Right, so there's your landing page, there's your early adopters registration. This doesn't commit you to anything. All it means is that if you put your details in here, then as soon as it's ready to go, I will let you know. And the first 2 or 3 organizations that register will get it for a lifetime of $30 a month for unlimited users, unlimited usage. Right, so to be my reference sites. Okay, so if we go to the demonstration system, and this is the demo cardiology clinic, book an appointment, existing patient, sends me the one-time password. Here it is. 722-624, 722-624. Verify and login. So I'm now in the patient's portal, and I can pick a practitioner and say, okay, today at 1 p.m. Yeah, notice there's no 12 o'clock slot. That's because Dr. John Hartwell has his lunch break from 12 to 12:30. Continue, nothing special, confirm the booking. We've tested all that before, that all works fine. Appointment booked successfully, okay, cool. And there's my appointment confirmation text message. It says your appointment with John Hartwell has been scheduled for Monday, June 23 at 1 p.m. Groovy. Now I can cancel it or reschedule. That's all been tested fine. There's all my past appointments. This is one sick patient. Notes. So this is notes from previous appointments. These are just automatic rescheduling notes. So you get a full history of that patient, of that client, documents that they've uploaded, or that. Okay, so you can see the source of the document is appointment upload. So when the client or patient is making an appointment, they can upload images or documents, PDF documents, Word documents, and this one has been uploaded from the client portal directly by the user. And if I want to view it, I just click on view, it comes up and just views it. Okay, cool. Okay, so that's all working perfect. That's good. Log out and then go back over here. Get rid of that. All right, that's all working good. So now the next part is to actually make it happen. So if I say get started, select Next step, I'm a practitioner. Now we've been through all this step before, so I won't go through all that. If you want to learn more about all this, just have a look at my previous videos. But what I want to check is the create account process is working. So I'll just pause the recording there because that's all boring. Pause.